Welcome back. So we have more Harbor Freight starting tomorrow. 10 days of deals. I don't have the 10 leaked deals. They must have been doing a better job of keeping them tight. But here's the first one. Starting tomorrow. Deal of the day. $479, $599. Originally $120 off. The US General 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart. It says hurry. Monday, March 17th, only in store, only, and they do have pre-sale orders available. So I'm assuming if they don't have it in stock, you can place the order. So hopefully, worst case, that's what you do. Let's just read the fine print. Valid in store, on in-stock and pre-sale items only. No coupon required. Discount applied at the register. Offer valid for, I'm assuming those are all the different colors. Cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. Other restrictions may apply. Valid 3/17/25. And for kicks, we are going to look at the price history. So this is showing down to $479, $120 off. So that's pretty decent. If I recall correctly, there was a sale recently for all US General at 25% off. And that got it down probably to $449. Maybe this one wasn't included. Someone correct me. But looking at the price history and the coupons, this has essentially been at $600 retail price for the last 2 years. Looks like it did come down in March of 2024 down to $499. And the lowest coupon, the consistent one, gets down $100. But the lowest coupon is $479, and that was June of last year, 2024. And that $479 is matched now with the $479 deal of the day tomorrow. So $120 off for all intents and purposes. This is the best price that it goes to, even available in the plum purple. And there is this on Reddit. Someone has some type of leak. It's not very specific, but we'll read through it. So it says day 1, large storage day, which we know is US General. Day 2, auto maintenance day, which can literally be anything. Day 3, PT grinding and OPE. Day 4, con demo and material handling. Day 5, OPE and OPT. Day 6, generators and plumbing. Day 7, winches and auto lifts. Day 8, auto detailing and sockets. Day 9, auto maintenance, auto lube, shop equipment. Day 10, auto lifts. OPT, outdoor power equipment and tools. So we'll see. We'll see what they actually come with. So tomorrow, again, US General, 34-inch full bank cart service. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy savings, and as soon as I find some more deals, and as soon as I know day 2, I'll send it your way.